This is PAI's high-performance auxiliary gear, manufactured for Fuller RTLO 14718 and 16718 transmissions. The PAI number for this high-performance auxiliary gear is EF67890HP and is a direct replacement for OEM FUL 4303422. This high-performance auxiliary gear is milled from a high-grade alloy steel for added strength and undergoes a special heat treatment. The 38 teeth on this gear are treated with precision ground tooth finish, which improves the efficiency and lifespan of the gear. Our gears undergo rigorous post-production testing, including our 100% noise test, which ensures top-notch quality. All PAI high-performance parts come equipped with a 3-year unlimited mileage warranty.
PAI, world tested, performance proven.